friends. Look who's rolling in with a warm, sunny glow. It's orange, the bright and happy fruit. Are you ready to dance?
Orange wakes up soft and slow, stretching with a gentle glow, rolling lightly left and right, shining in the morning light. A tiny bounce, a tiny sway. Orange says, let's start the day. Orange bounce side to side, feel the rhythm, feel the ride. Clap your hands and wave up high, let your happy colors fly. Orange laughs and spins around, feeling joy in every sound. Orange moves with playful feet, grooving to a sunny beat. Wiggle gently, tap your toes, feel the magic as it flows. Orange twirls in glowing cheer, smiling wide from ear to ear. Orange twist and glow so bright, dance with all your heart and light. Raise your hands up to the sky, take a breath and jump so high. Orange dances round and round, sprinkling joy in every sound. Round and round in gentle flow, move as soft as winds that blow. Orange rolls and kids all cheer, happiness is always near. Step by step, nice and slow, let your warmest smiles show. Orange glow so bright and true, spreading sunshine just for you. Shake it fast, then shake it slow, feel the music gently grow. Wave your hands now side to side, orange says thanks for the ride. Goodbye friends, until next time.